In May 1997, the W163 series Mercedes-Benz M-Class celebrated its premiere. This off-road-capable SUV combined the best of both worlds. All-wheel drive, high ground clearance and generous interior space are important attributes of classic off-roaders. It was accompanied by excellent ride comfort even at high on-road speeds, a highly variable interior and a harmonious design. It was the sophisticated suspension in particular of the M-Class that made the new level of comfort possible. In contrast to many competitors, the W163 featured an independent front and rear suspension. The permanent all-wheel drive also differed from conventional systems. The M-Class dispensed with conventional differential locks, instead using an improved version of the Electronic Traction System ETS. If the wheel starts to spin on a slippery surface, ETS brakes that wheel until a certain prescribed speed difference is reached. This increases the drive torque to the wheels that still have good road adhesion. Acting together, the independent suspension and ETS optimize the handling, safety and stability of the M-Class, both on and off the road.
This channel OldBenz. Thank you for attention. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel.